chopped pecan pie. Prep time 20 minutes. Cook time 45 minutes. Yield 1 pie. Description: give traditional pecan pie a twist this holiday season by using finely chopped pecans to create a smooth topping on this chopped pecan pie. Ingredients: pie crust, 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup butter, 4 egg yolks, pecan filling, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 4 tablespoons maple syrup, 1/4 cup butter, melted, pinch of salt, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cup pecan halves, finely or coarsely chopped, 1/2 cup pecan halves. Instructions: pie crust. Prepare the pastry by combining all the ingredients manually or in a powerful food processor. When combining manually, I sift flour on the kitchen table or large cutting board, make a hole in it and add the egg yolks, butter and sugar. Then, carefully mix all together until you form a firm ball. Roll out the dough on this sheet of parchment paper. Place into a pie dish and let it cool in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Pecan pie. Preheat the oven to 400 F. Make the filling. Beat eggs in a large mixing bowl. Slowly add sugar and continue beating until the mixture turns into a light yellow color. Add the maple syrup, butter, salt, and vanilla and mix until fully combined. Stir in the chopped pecans. Punch the pie crust with the fork several times to help release air during baking process. Place pie crust into the oven and bake for 10 minutes, remove from oven, and reduce the oven temperature to 350 F. Pour the pie filling into the slightly baked pie crust. Bake pie for another 25 to 30 minutes until the top of the pie turns golden and the filling dough doesn't appear to be liquid when you shake the pie dish. Decorate with pecan halves and place it in the oven for another 5 minutes. Let pie cool completely and serve. Optional: sprinkle some pastry crumbs from the pie dish on top.